Hey guys, it's Shiba. Welcome to the unboxing. To an unboxing. It's not really an unboxing because it's not really a box. It's more of a bag, but like, welcome to it. Anyways, I'll be unbagging or unbag boxing this package I got from AB Universe, and guess what I bought? No, you're not seeing until I finish. All right, let me just get this bag open. Yo, oh my god, you would not believe it. It's alphagatorz. It's a sample of alphagatorz. Oh Jesus. Look at this. I'm excited for this. Of course, like every ABU package, you get a business card with lollipops and some stickers in it. Pretty epic. Okay, I'm gonna open these and just look at them. We got the cloth-backed alphagatorz. As you can see, they got the man himself on there. It's Crocky, the alligator, a crocodile. I don't know. His name is Crocky, but they're called alpha. I think he's a crocodile. Then in the back, we got him with numbers and letters. It says size 10. Has ABU on there. Oh my god, this is pretty epic. And the one thing that makes it stand out from other adult baby diapers is the print going like this, you know, the print having the print up on the back, and then the print going like just yeah. Also, another thing about them is that since they're cloth backed, of course they're gonna have the Velcro tapes. They're gonna have the Velcro tapes. They're pretty epic too. I love cloth backed. That was pretty much it. See you guys later. Actually, wait, I want to see what stickers I got. Oh my god, look at these epic space stickers. Look at this. Anyways, that's it. See you.